Where'd you get the wig from?
Pharmacy.
I like it with the hair down.
What?
Down?
Yeah. Put your hair down. Looks better. Let it go all scraggly around your shoulders.
Then her
Oh,
color
yeah.
It's like Violet.
You look like Violet.
Violet?
A little bit. With the long, long hair.
Who's Violet?
Hey, Liam. What are you?
Come on, we have to go and get you ready.
Look in the mirror, Malin.
And
Come look in the mirror. Oh, there's Aaron down there on the floor. Floor bug. Come here, sweetie.
Right there, Aaron.
Come here, Malin. Come look at yourself in the mirror. Oh, you can't see without standing. That's funny, eh? You don't even look like you. Are you putting teeth in too?
Yes.
Or are they too annoying? Here comes Aaron. Hi, Aaron. You're going to drag yourself along the floor?